Just sit there home, you're watching TV, and your life is passing you by. You keep procrastinating over and over again. Maybe I'll go to school next year, maybe this year. No, do it right now.
Couple thought, book who on the song, me. Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that cagaze. Smoke, drink, count up, in that all the baby. Couple thought, book who on the song, me. Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that cagaze. Smoke, drink, count up, in that all the baby.
Good diamond right there, you hear me? I'm about to come in there. No. Nigga been had tests before you. You late. Huh? I'm about to go up there. Trying to see why I get in.
Lane 3, Raven and Diamond. Kenwood, 12.98. Lane 4, Jay.
Tokyo is recording. Oh, shit. Well, damn, man. I'm D-waving, yeah. Oh, yeah. D-waving in the cut. Oh, yeah. Stay champ. No.
So y'all gonna hit me on that bit?
Ooh.
Hey, look. Follow me at FME_J.
Don't follow me at Ferrari.
Add me on that bit. Bow so savage, you know. Y'all finna be famous.
Y'all both me on it.
You stink. Really right out.
Good, man.
Come on, you hear me? Yeah, chill, man. Come on, man. Look at your ears, man. Show me your ears. Them lit ass ears, man. Come on, man. Boy, got all even. So, not your head ass, boy. Come on, look at him. What the top of your head like grown meat?
Hey, get the waves though.
So, look, wave chick. No. No. Look, y'all want to get in the camera? Y'all looking? That boy got more head than anything, man. Talk.
Follow me on FME.J. Hey, look. I'm gonna be over there. I'm gonna be over there.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah, head. Yeah, head.
And live by the way. And live by the way.
Yeah, thing.
Almost done.
Currently.
You see me? I used to dunk. That's the difference.
I could dunk. Currently leaving the state track meet, you know what I'm saying? They rocked out. I parked so far away from over here though.
Just feature me in one video, man. Dang.
Huh?
I say just feature me in one.
I don't think my camera focused though.
Oh, I got that vape shirt with me.
What's private
You gotta
stock?
see if you can fit it.
Oh, that's them shoes and stuff? Private stock? I've been there. They open?
Yeah, they open right now.
Y'all wanna go in there?
Hey, man, don't leave my charger in your car. You finna be.
About to go up to private stock right now. Why they put it right here though?
They moved. I don't know.
Like this like the worst place for it.
Right.
Where they had it.
You're not gonna catch no sales over here. Like
No, I ain't gonna lie.
nobody from LSU shopping here like this.
Hey, that dude out finna stick some like poo-poo.
Yeah, he did stink.
Like poo-poo.
That dude he was by.
Let me see YouTube video. Man, I'm gonna smash them when I see them.
Private stock.
HotBoyMalic.
Hopefully we can find another store to get some drip from. Something like that. God damn it, I done stepped in some mud. Currently we just not leaving McDonald's, you know what I'm saying, sleeve. Lit tomorrow right there, you know what I'm saying. We was trying to see what we doing today, bro. Had a whole different video planned today, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna vlog it out on my DDG shit because as you can see the weather, man, it's like it's about to pour down, you know what I'm saying? We were supposed to be going to Lafayette, you know what I'm saying, because they was having this crawfish festival, and they was, you know what I'm saying, it's supposed to be a whole bunch of people out there. We was gonna run some public interviews up, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, but now we just came to McDonald's to get something to eat. I seen this nigga on the road. I seen that nigga car and I pulled on side on him. I'm like, shit, where you going? He like McDonald's. So now we pulled up here, trying to see what the rest of the gang get, you know what I'm saying? Oh, we finna pull up on this nigga AJ, you know what I'm saying? Pull up in Baker right quick, go holler at the slime. I gotta get this, I'm doing this prank, You know what I'm saying? I don't know who I'm gonna do it on yet, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta go get some props. I don't really wanna say what I'm getting right now, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta go get some props from the store, you know what I'm saying? Because this prank war started, you know what I'm saying? We about to start going in with this shit, you know what I'm saying? But YouTube been on some crazy shit, you know what I'm saying? YouTube been yellow marking all type of shit, you know what I'm saying? It's like everything be coming up like not suitable for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what YouTube got going on right now, bro.
Why would I just put color in?
Oh, you too dark, I can't see it right here. How much was this? Total, like out of all the shit you can pay. If I show a nigga something, you know. When you gonna shake back, bro?
But yeah, I know your stepdad got this.
Why you jumping for?
Because I feel like you gonna hit my camera.
I don't know hit your camera. I know this is supposed to be camera.
Well, I'm just telling them pray for chicken in the comments.
Yeah, pray for you. Get that better pray for you.
I didn't get invite. What the fuck?
They gotta pray for me, folks. Don't you hate them niggas that be thinking they a point guard or a guard in general? Come on, man, know your role, man. Stop all that playing. What you doing around here? I got a whole op in my hood right now, bro. I'm about to knock this nigga out. Say, what you doing around here? You not from around here. You can't just walk this street, nigga. You not from around here, my nigga.
That's what I want, nigga.
You not from around here.
What up, baby?
Ain't no what up, man. What up? Well, what up is what you doing out here, cuz. What you doing out here?
He won't show on the camera.
Who that is?
Why you so fucking oily? What you getting all oil for? You trying to go somewhere?
What you talking about? I'm oily.
All up shining. You got baby oil, don't you, Sean?
Vaseline.
Boy, you
And
love
nigga
that
can't
fucking
oil his
Vaseline.
hats?
Boy, you love that fucking
Yeah,
Vaseline.
stop playing. Before I show you something. Oh, slimy.
Don't act like it was some slimy shit. It was not.
It was slimy over here. How you gonna tell me?
Bitch, you camped out.
I'm trying to tell this boy, man, when I used to live over here, when I used to live, what?
Yeah,
That wasn't over here. I didn't get
nigga.
crowded over here.
Nigga, whoop your ass over here, man.
I didn't get crowded
Yes,
over
you
here.
did.
You a
Nigga,
motherfucker.
whoop your ass. He told me that.
Nigga did not flex
Yes, you
me out
did.
here.
You said nigga flex your ass.
And Baker?
Yeah.
You a damn
in
lie.
your section.
You a lie.
In your
Nigga
section.
ain't never put me up out here. You
told
must be
me.
talking about Lil Real when he
talking about-
mushed you in
I'm
your
talking
shit.
about
You talking about Lil Real. Stop playing.
I'm punching your nose.
For what?
We don't see around the corner. We talking about like 5, 6 houses down. Like,
Bro, it's right around the corner, man.
When motherfuckers stay right around the corner, we're gonna be walking for a little minute.
We about to go to the disco lady house right now. I haven't been to the disco lady house in years.
Long time.
And then they be having, you probably one of them niggas who say cold cup, huh?
No.
Iceberg.
This cup.
Oh, you say this cup?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
You say iceberg.
I be hating people who call Dixie cup cold cups.
Who does it say cold cup?
Buku people, they call them cold cups, bro. It's called a Dixie cup. Everybody know that because the cup is a Dixie cup.
Maybe because down south we call it Dixie cups. Dixie. You say Dixie. We say Dixie. What the fuck the difference is?
Dixie or Dixie? Dixie. Fuck same shit.
Remember I was telling y'all about the story time when I was talking about the family and all that? You know what I'm saying? This the house. Right here.
What the fuck is
Do you see that air conditioner vent by that barbecue grill? This the house, huh?
You got to fight by that bitch?
No, it's
Yeah, he ain't gonna hit you.
I did the story time on my first time getting hit. And that was the house right there, you know what I'm saying? This was when I said my stepdaddy had whipped in, that nigga had whipped in over here. And that's why I was it. You know what I'm saying? This lady who live at this house, bro, she's so bean. She come outside like, man, we probably, since I've been living over here, I done seen her about
They got a dog.
10 times total.
I see dog free. They're fresh.
Oh, we gonna whoop them. This right here, we used to call this shit the Super Bowl, man. He know about them days.
That's why my face would have been the hood.
Nigga couldn't hold me, dog. Nigga couldn't hold. This was a Super Bowl.
Without rain, it ain't.
We used to have a whole neighborhood out. This bitch used to be lit, bro. I wish we could go back.
I'll flip your ass.
Back in the day, it used to be lit. Then when you had your brother came, your big brother, nigga wasn't tackling that nigga. What?
I'm tired of you small ass pants you got on.
They-
These bitches small.
All my pants fit
No.
the same.
Them small. They extra small.
They all fit the same.
Extra money.
They all fit the same. They all trying scooters.
That's She kept straight like.
That's dude sister, huh?
Yeah. Who?
Aaron.
No, fuck no. Look, Cleavon. One more fucking forgetting. Damn, what is Cleavon? Hold up, how far they walk here?
Disc cup lady, I was right there. You see it? The sign said right there, disc cups.
We still round the come. We still walk.
Bro, we ain't even walked that far.
50 cent. They 50 cent. They 50 cent.
We literally been walking 2 minutes.
Look,
The time on the camera say 2 minutes. Fucking right, I'm gonna run.
You can't outrun?
Who? I'm gonna run till you run till you jump on something. See, you don't know shit. You'll get your stupid ass bitch.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you would.
This is a car right here. I'm jumping on right here. Shit.
Fuck, nigga, you supposed to run till you jump on something, nigga. I'ma run till I find me a car to jump on.
That's a nice ass thing, man.
Yeah, that bitch dumb.
That is dumb. That's how it's run though.
Yeah, them bitches dumb.
Where's that? What house is it?
Right here.
You don't know she's still doing that. She's still doing it?
The sign right there say disc cup.
This cup 50 cent. I got me. I got mine.
Oh, where you had got it from?
50 cent. I'm my car. Hey, 50 cent.
50 cent disc cup, you hear me? If you ain't from the hood, if y'all ain't got no disc cup later, I ain't even gonna cap. Every hood gotta have a disc cup later, candle later, something to that effect, you know what I'm saying? Huh?
Quiet.
This boy's dangerous. You try to run out here, you might get shot.
This like this. It's like this out here.
Piss ass. I didn't get too close to the door. I'm like, oh, piss ass.
It's like straight piss. It's like this out here.
We would've beat you up in the neighborhood. I ain't gonna cap. It ain't no disc cups. Niggas said they just put fresh ones in. We gotta wait till tomorrow. We ain't gonna be over here tomorrow.
It don't even take that long for no disc cup.
It don't take a whole day.
They must got a pool at freeze.
I know it take about.
It do take a long time.
About 3 hours.
It take about.
Nah, it take about 6.
It
No, it take about 6 hours.
For my grandma shit, it take an hour. Yeah, retro freezer. Dexter laboratory freezer.
I guess it depends on the type of freezer. I be liking the mixed ones, me.
That's a raw ass car, bro.
That bitch so dumb.
I bet it goes to the car show too. Probably so. It is today too. Hermanville, I think. Bank State. I wanna go. I still got moved.
So, you know, he been in that can for a minute. 3 years you was boxing in there, right?
Y'all boxing 3-0, nigga. You hear me?
3-0. What you, now all the letters and phone calls we had, what you said you gonna do me when you get out
I
here?
said I'm gonna flex the fuck out you. Beat the fuck out you. Put your chin on that fucking ground, nigga.
Hey, so, put in the comments if y'all wanna see the vlog, you know what I'm saying? He fresh out that can, 3-0. He was boxing in the jail, right?
Yeah, most.
You know what I'm saying? So, hey, it's just little old me, you know what I'm saying? Who y'all think gonna win in the comment section, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, don't tell him not to run though.
Not the run, what you mean?
Cause you gonna run. It ain't no ring. It's a difference.
I'm gonna give you some blend action. I'm gonna give him some blend action. Chicken got them old ass gloves. Look at the gloves he got.
Oh, yeah.
We got them ever.
Oh, damn.
We got them Everlast gloves.
Corey punched it down with
Yeah, Corey done punched them down. Corey done punched them down one time in the gloves already.
Look, I was playing with Corey, man. That was all jokes. Corey is bullshit.
So you gonna get it up with Corey again?
Yeah.
This how Ori
Somebody call.
Hold on,
Corey.
time out.
This how Ori was.
Are we going out tonight?
I don't know. A lot of people be asking about the HBL boxing match. We're gonna have a boxing match. Me and him had a boxing match before, you know what I'm saying? When we do have a boxing match, I'm gonna put the previous clip in, you know what I'm saying? So I can see a little footage of that. It really wasn't shit, you know what I'm saying? That was our first time really having a little scuffle against each other, you know what I'm saying? I was feeling them out, you know what I'm saying? When you boxing somebody for the first time, you know what I'm saying? You really be feeling them out. That's all I was doing, showing them a little step game, you know what I'm saying? But next time, I'm gonna dive in this shit. No cap. You know, we pulled up. Chicken, Key Baby, Clark, you know what I'm saying? We at ZAXBY'S right now. We finna get some grub, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's really nothing to do today. Well, it's Saturday, but it's nothing to do, you know, Monto and them over there. But we burnt them niggas though. He talking too much, man. Don't cop out now, cause I put the camera on. No, you gotta fight. That man been talking all day about you, man. Come on, man. That boy is scared right there. That boy is scared right there. Yeah, you fool. Come on, man. What you want to do then? What you want to do? What you want to do, man? You need the old to say Frost. The Shea Frost looking at it, man. What's up? Let's do it then, man. That nigga got on a stripe. That nigga's shirt got a pocket on it, man. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nigga stay his surfing all day.
Man, stay safe. That's real talk. These some shorts from old lady.
Huh? Who?
I got a goatee, nigga. Know your fucking mustache and beard.
What's the ugliest foot? Them big ass face. You like a weak character. That's a little
That nigga do look like a weed. Why every time the dude who be driving the nigga, he get mad at the nigga who laugh. Punch him down, man. I ain't got nothing to do with that. You don't want to punch him down. We basically having a little mook bang, you know what I'm saying? We chilling up in ZAXBY'S right now. Who winning the Warriors?
Rockets.
The Rockets winning?
75.
Yeah, the Rockets lost. You gotta be up by 60 against the Warriors. His first meal since being in jail. His first time eating since he got out. What you got? Little toast on your shit? Let me get him out. That nigga laugh so ugly. Look at this nigga.
Are they green? What's so funny?
Sound like a nigga beat this fucking.
What the fuck that nigga laughing at?
I just said. Huh? Knock that nigga out, man. That been like a rock or something.
Like a fucking answer.
They finna bang out right quick.
Yeah, you already know. Tell me. Yeah. And I'm asking you, heard? Hey, why you don't get it? Why you don't
Come
get
on, man. Bang out, man.
He lose.
Take his life.
No, Johnny.
Sleeve the gloves, man. Sleeve, open your trunk, get your gloves out. He just popped the trunk. Oh, man, you don't want what? 100,000 on the AP. You gonna keep the bracelet on?
Keep all that shit
That's
on.
just like 30,000. You know what I'm saying? Show him the teeth. You know what I'm saying? That's 30,000 in the mouth. He on this Jada Youngin shit. Now who that is? What they want to do with me? They coming through here like they wanted to do something with us.
Hold on, man.
You know we out here. You know. Clock got the clock. Keep it on them. You know.
Hold on, what?
Hold on, man. Ain't no hold on, man. Whoop him, man. You been in that cell.
Man, say son. Hold on, they got them hoes out there, son. Say, hey. Say Lamar.
That nigga, they working on him.
Come on, whore.
Sneak him.
Hold on, son. I got my phone up out.
Sneak him with them bitches. Oh, it's up. Don't blend them yet. Don't crowd. Don't whoop up. They whooping him. They whooping him. Yeah. Nigga whooped you. Nigga whooped him. Clock, get the camera.
He said you snuck him.
No. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's going down. All right.
You snuck me, right?
He snuck him.
I ain't even hit him.
You snuck him, man. You snuck him, man. Hold on, strap up. No, you come over here in this corner, strap up.
Hold on. That nigga snuck me.
Nigga snuck you, man. You gotta rock out.
Nobody on here. You ain't got nobody.
Give us time.
It's sad. Not you. But you had to.
Nigga snuck you, man. Keelan put the high beams on. This shit serious. Hold on. That's a police car. Let's wait. Let's wait. That's the laws right there. No, he just getting his little meal. Hey, they about to have a quick lit scuff session, you hear me? But the laws out there, you know what I'm saying? Niggas sitting, I don't know if y'all can see this nigga.
This nigga had his glove on the back. Oh, the game over? Overtime?
See that nigga? Black on black police car. Yeah, I think. But we got yellow brake pads, kinda. I don't think there's no police car because his window's not tinted dark enough. Oh, yeah.
I don't feel safe with that shit.
Well, put them bitches up. We ain't in trouble, bitch. Just put them down.
What?
You gonna buy now?
Whoa.
You don't get food now.
Let that nigga pull up before y'all do that shit again.
Cause if anything, we'll go to Walmart parking lot with it. Let's go in Walmart and blow that bitch up.
10 seconds. Cause I'm gonna hit him around.
I'm gonna show you the footage when you shit with me with them bitches.
Oh, my phone down.
You know that.
Calling you out.
You know that. Look, hey.
Oh, I got you.
When me and him get in the gloves, I promise y'all, I'm gonna win. Watch. Just watch. Just watch when it happens. I'm gonna win.
I'm calling him out.
All right, you on the intro then. He calling me out on the intro. What's that? So we got a challenge, you know what I'm saying? Me versus HotBoy coming real soon. I'm gonna whoop that nigga ass.
You already told me to talk to me, bitch.
Hold on. The fucking Rockets and the Warriors should have been in the conference finals, not the fucking.
Each other in the last round. That's what I'm saying.
Come on, man. Nigga snuck you, man. Nigga snuck you. That's on footage. This ball going out. He said he don't want no blood on this shit.
Hey, oh, he is strong as a bitch.
Nigga snuck you, man. Wipe his nose. Or they gonna be on your ass in the group message again. You got a lot on the line. Once you strap up in them bitches, it's serious.
You don't do your shit, bro.
Jay said if you was I'm not gonna whoop you, son. Oh, God.
He told us boy had to fight with Corey.
Back, he leaving now.
Sneak that nigga, man.
You folks ain't go live. With it.
I ain't going live.
I'm gonna take my earrings off.
No, God, don't do all that.
That's too much.
That's doing too much.
You should have snuck on. That shit would have been funny.
You your girl in, bro?
Yeah, what you gonna do?
You get a mouthpiece. Shit, that's your mouthpiece right there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he said that's your mouthpiece.
Let's go.
Yeah, rock. Make a ring around the niggas like Def Jam.
It's a ring right there?
Make a ring like Def Jam. Go in the ring. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
I'm waiting on you.
Come on. Ooh. Let me be a good cameraman for y'all. My bad. I'm gonna be a good cameraman. Ooh. Come on now.
You trying to make me rush this nigga?
Come on now.
Y'all doing too much talking.
We can talk each other.
Talking in that bitch. What's down that talking? I want that talking, man. Come on. Yeah.
Man, come on, man. What the hell going on? Wait for this nigga come in. What's going on, man? He trying to get me on board. Yeah, I know what you want me to do. Fuck all that pussy ass shit.
Yeah. He said he trying to zip some. He said he trying to. Oh. He trying to send something to Whitfield. They got it, yeah, they trying to send something to Whitfield.
Look all that, yeah, I got on my shoes. Yeah.
He trying to send something to Winfield.
I might as well just go live too.
Man, get your footage. Put the headlights on, key, baby. Step in front of the light, man.
Hurry.
You know what I'm saying? Fresh out there came with the bitches. We got Ori Tanti, you know what I'm saying?
Ori right here. Okay.
You know.
Boss saying this ain't no ring.
Hey, and mind you, this random is we just came out of ZAXBY'S, you know.
And this is, yeah, shit, they got 12 people on this.
Pile in. I got 10 people.
Go stupid. How many on mine? Hey, we finna have a boxing match.
Yeah, Richie.
You know, what up? Sailor Macho, tell the car pull up, cause we gonna be on the way.
Knock his diamonds out.
No sneaking. Go. No sneaking. Hold on. Yeah, it's up like that. It's like that. It's like that. Come on, son. Hold on. It's out. Yeah, come on, son. It's like that. It's like that. Yeah. I'm just saying. Yeah, no DC. He all. Oh my God. Chicken car.
show y'all no one. I gonna break everybody.
Oh my God!
Yeah, Booger saying
Oh shit!
They done broke that main mirror. Nigga done broke the fucking mirror.
Good thing they got money.
No.
Hey,
Look. I can pick.
I'm pressed to me.
Hey,
Look, they got people out in the car looking at the sculpture.
Hey, hold on.
But I'm pressed on me. I ain't got no. Look. I put the camera all in there. I mean, people that look. I'm pressed. I just ain't got no shoes on, but y'all gonna see me rock out on the video. You know what I'm saying? I would whoop something.
If they fix, you might need some super glue, little gorilla glue. Damn.
no, I don't even want to get nigga no super, bro.
What you gotta say about it? What you gotta say about it? Huh? How you feel?
The pants tight, couldn't really move around, but see, I think I did good. That ain't going no well. No, I'm straight.
Hey, go on your ass.
They fix it?
Y'all gotta rock out again, though. Shit, no, I'm gonna come out the sleeve and rock out with both of y'all motherfuckers.
Shit, no, bro, your arm broke. That's why I say don't be by no cars, bro. I said come in the light. I kept telling him put keep the lights on.
You need some super glue, bro.
He got bust up.
I know that oil ain't leak. Oh God.
Get your rock, y'all. Come on now.
Y'all say what up to the vlog, man.
Grabbing me, bro. I ain't grab you.
Let me clear that up. Y'all say what's down to the vlog, bro. Y'all on here, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, John, hey, give me that. I'm gonna lie, man. Hey, go ahead.
Be cool, be cool.
Show, man. I was tired at first. Me and Malik fucking hero, man.
Come on.
I ain't boxing today.
Man, that's so funny. Chicken head.
I fucking shoulder.
I wasn't even recording on my phone.
We ready to roll?
I was on live, but I wasn't recording on the camera. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. That's it. The man's had enough of a beating. That's what nigga said on life. The man's had enough of a beating.
Nigga say sleep ain't gonna rock out.
See?
It's all. I'm rich water. I'm rich water. I'm rich water. I'm rich water. I'm rich water.
Hold on. I gotta go right.
Oh, he stuffed that bitch. Oh shit! That bitch slow motion on camera. He stuffed that bitch.
Who can lean ball? Who can lean? 3 times a bitch. I ain't tired.
I'm tired.
He ducked that bitch.
I think they finna get out and get in the glove.
Man, we ain't about they got something in the car with them. Them white boy got something in the car with them. That bitch gonna pull out a rifle. To shoot metal pellets. Them bitches gonna hurt. I can feel them bitches now.
Nigga, this from that shit got me tired.
I had to do this and them bitches still ain't move. Like, that's it. Yeah, son, so like, I really try to did my shit in these fucking stiff ass pants. So like, yeah, follow me at HotBoy.
Back at the crib, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what this vlog was, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna put together whatever I put together, you know what I'm saying? But whatever this be, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed that shit, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm about to take a shower, you know what I'm saying? The kids, I'm feeling real, you know what I'm saying? I've been outside all day, you know what I'm saying? I feel real slimy, you know what I'm saying? Like real deal slimy today, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta jump in the shower, bro. But if y'all like this video, bro, make sure y'all smash that like button, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up on my social medias, you know what I'm saying? No video requests. Send me ideas too, you know what I'm saying? Ain't just gotta be a video request, you know what I'm saying? Send them ideas in, you know what I'm saying, to the DM. A lot of people be hitting me up on Snapchat, you know what I'm saying? But I really don't be on Snapchat like that no more, you know what I'm saying? The main social medias I be on is, you know what I'm saying, Instagram and, you know what I'm saying, YouTube, you feel me? But y'all can hit me up on Twitter too, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'll be more active on Twitter than Snapchat. Like, ever since Snapchat did that update, bro, I don't really be on Snapchat like that no more, bro. I'm just keeping it gangsta, you know what I'm saying? But I still got one, because I use the camera to take pictures here and there, you know what I'm saying? But hey, bro, that's gonna be it, bro. I'm about to go ahead and jump in the shower, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned in for tomorrow's videos, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna rock out. Slime.
And you know this, man.
I was back and I was let you know. I think it's time for me to relax, though. Time to let it go, baby. Tripping on me, body bougie, hard.